Don't judge me for what I'm wearing. I like my non-existing sleeves. Leave me alone. Okay, I'm sitting in my Mercedes Benz, driving around, and for about 3 weeks or so, it's been making this sound. Now, this sound is a rather annoying, high-pitched squeal, and I have no idea what it is. I have, kind of an educated guess, and I've had a few other people give me some suggestions, but I can't pinpoint what it is. Now, there are probably a few of you out there, actually there might be many of you out there that will listen to it and be like, wow, Kevin, it's, this. Anyone could have guessed that, Kevin. Literally anyone. Obviously not you, because you're mentally disabled. Anywho, it started out a little while ago, nothing crazy, just, and as time's been going on, it gets a little louder. And now it's like, it just does that all day, like, I'm like, shut up, oh my gosh. And it doesn't do it all the time. Usually does it after you've been driving around for like 5 minutes. It doesn't change if you apply the brakes, and that's kind of what's getting me. I feel like it's the brakes, but it doesn't change when I apply the brakes. It sounds exactly the same, but it just slows down or speeds up depending on the speed of my car. I've had a few people say it's a wheel bearing, and I really highly doubt it's a wheel bearing because I've had wheel bearings go bad before. One, they don't make that sound. Two, they're always there. They don't just come around kind of whenever. This, I'll literally be going down the road. Today I've been going down the road, and it's been fine actually for the most part today. I don't know if whatever it is finally just gave up, but it actually hasn't been making much sound at all today. Actually, it's been making zero sounds today for the most part. Here and there I can hear it. So I'm pretty sure it's not a bearing, because that would be making that constant hum, and if a bearing was as loud as what this is, chances are you'd be able to feel it. Bearing gets bad enough, normally you can feel that thing. I can't feel this, but I sure as balls can hear it. Oh, it's so annoying. It's embarrassing too, as you're driving around, a pretty nice Mercedes Benz, I think anyway. Other people might think otherwise, but screw them. I don't really care what they think. I love my car. And you're going through town, and it's just you're like, shut up, oh my god. And people are, they do look, it's rather loud. I mean, when it's doing its thing, it's doing its thing, and it's people just. Did you just hear that car over there? What is wrong with that thing? That thing sounds retarded. I'm like, yeah, no, that's my car, yeah. Dude, your Mercedes is really nice, but it sounds like it's an idiot. It sounds like it's falling apart. Like, yeah, it pretty much is falling apart, man. Screw you, you freaking faggot. Get out of here. Pissing me off, man. So, I don't know what it is. Pissing me off. Is it raining right now? It's literally, it's Sunny's dicks outside. There's not a single cloud around. I kid you not, there's not a cloud anywhere. Welcome to West Virginia, my friends. Wild and wonderful. Where was I? Crap, I just lost my train of thought. Thanks a lot, rain, pissing me off. Said I'm going to try and get a few sound bits of it. See if I can't get a good, clear sound. See if someone on the internet can't tell me, like, hey Kevin, that's what that is. My only thing is, I hate tearing into stuff when I'm not 100% sure what it is. Now, I would like to just say it's the brakes. I'm pretty sure Mercedes-Benz eat through brakes like no one's business, but I'm not 100% sure, and I hate digging into stuff if I'm not 100% sure. I just get really antsy with it, especially with this being a Mercedes Benz. I do all of my own work. You guys have seen some of my other videos. I'm by no means a genius, so when I hop into a car as advanced as this one, it tends to freak me out. Even just doing a simple brake job. I've done brakes on an Audi before, and it was difficult. I'm gonna be honest. It was a newer one, had an electronic e-brake, and I didn't have the little computer to hook up to it so I could release my brake calipers. Freaking stupid. I don't know who designed that. Thanks, Germans. Really pissing me off. This car doesn't have that, so I feel like it would be straightforward. I'll post a video of me later digging into it, because whether I get an answer or not, I really need to find out what this is, and if it is the brakes, then I really need to change those pads out pronto before I end up replacing a rotor. And I know one of you Mercedes owners out there are going to watch this and be like, well, Kevin, if you're replacing the pads, then you have to replace the rotor. No, that's stupid. I'm not replacing the rotor if that's the case, because I know those devils are going to be a lot of money, and I'll be damned if I'm going to go to AutoZone. I don't even know if they sell them, but I'm not going to AutoZone to get my rotors anymore. I love you, AutoZone. I get a bunch of stuff from you guys, but your Duralast rotors are pissing me off. I don't even care what grade I get. They all warp. Every single one of them. They always warp, and then I'm going the road, I hit the brakes, like, everyone's staring at me like, dude, what's wrong with your car? I'm like, I don't know, the brakes just suck. Last time I'm buying Duralast, I'm not even blaming you, AutoZone. Duralast, no. Stop making brakes. They're awful. Just gonna put some Brembos on this or something. Anyway, let me stop my rant and see if I can't get some good sound bits of this for you guys.